Guys, I'm back.
Anything.
May giant sa akin. Lang guys ha. Mandaya talaga yung sa akin.
Shattered in an instant.
Shorter in-step. Ano yung in-step? Hindi talaga yun ah. Nakakampo talaga. Kalaban.
An enemy has been slain.
Sakit.
Or
Kakainis yan.
nah. Your strategies are pitiful.
Ha! Manda talaga yan sa akin. I-upload ko to sa YouTube ngayon kasi hindi ako nakakapag-upload eh. Sa TikTok lagi ako nag-upload.
Shattered in an instant.
You have slain an enemy.
Nah. Your strategies are pitiful.
Offline kasi ito, offline, pero nasa bahay na ako. Tara na.
This is home to me.
Ally has been slain.
Poor you. Why don't you just surrender?
Ally has been slain.
Shattered in an instant.
Enemy has been slain.
Dami pa naman battle ko eh.
I will do anything.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Wait lang, nag-email ako.
Ano, kumusta di yan? Hindi ko pa rin na-open yung ano ng mama.
Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate attack.
Lahat ng birthday, pinaglahat pati ng ano yung nilalagay ko na eh.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Executed.
Screenshot mo na na ah. Hindi mapapabasa.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Sa doktor, incarnate.
Request backup.
Dahil yun yung may base lang ang pinapatay na.
Our turret is under attack.
Should have let Famas teach you how to fight. I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
Ayun ito.
Nah. Your strategies are pitiful.
Nakamalan si Nina sa office.
Hindi. Ay! Iniisip ko nga kung... Ay, ba't di ka nalang tumingin sa sa'yo?
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
EJ!
Our turret has been destroyed. Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Lakas ko din. Talaga guys.
Our turret is under attack.
Poor you. Why don't you just surrender?
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Your life shall be shattered in an instant!
Legendary.
Yan yung white.
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Ally has been slain.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Launch attack.
Tsaka hindi siya na-approve eh.
The abyss.
Legendary.
Di ba dapat?
Let me take you to another world.
ML lang, ML lang.
Shut down. Launch attack. Legendary.
Kuna.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Your life shall be shattered in an instant!
Enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Legendary. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Ally has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Legendary! Ally has been slain.
Kalaban, pinatay ko naman. Galing ko talaga kay Dairot. Nag-offline.
Let me take you to another world.
Shut down! Our turret is under attack.
Sandito ah. Dare. Nandyan ka pa.
Executed.
Ay, matama. Diyan ka na lang tumingin sa mall. Magkano laang. Wala ka lang nakakapit.
Why don't you just surrender?
Under attack. Turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Kaya ako sa inyo dito nila. Tinan mo ha.
Who would recognize someone as
Attack has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Nakikita mo ba?
Legendary.
Di ba ka din nila ang sa Maynila? Mag-mall ba ganyan? Ano kaya yung Ocean Park? Oo.
Our turret is under attack.
Punta ako, uwi na ako.
Request attack.
how to fight?
Di ba nakasip na yan?
Your life shall be shattered in an instant!
Legendary. Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Our base is under attack.
Ay, meron maganda. Kaya maya, hanap kita na.
Shattered in an instant!
Tingnan mo yung kay Sana.
Why don't you just surrender?
Launch attack.
Nakalo?
The abyss is home to me.
Ally has been slain. Enemy has been slain. Enemy has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup.
Ha?
Who would recognize someone as your life shall be shattered in an instant?
Legendary.
Let me take you to another world.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
I will do anything for the abyss. Your life shall be shattered in an instant. Let me take you to another world.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Yun naman yan.
You would recognize
For
someone
this, my dad is just stunning me. Let's just continue. Lakas ko talaga, guys.
The abyss is home to me.
Uwi na ako. Guys, no! Dipit guys na naman! Nakakainis!
Ganito din yung kayanis na ano ay.
Nakakainis pero MVP! Nakakainis talaga!
May mga mura naman, easy. Kung may total may 500 plus na,
Try ko yung yung iba pang mga anuhan dito. Mga hero. Try ko si ito.
parang maganda
Nasa
sa
ito.
iyo yung mga options there.
Ito na lang lalaki. Wala na, lalaki din naman si Dairtay.
Ito, wala. May butas ang gitna.
Lakasan ko talaga.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. Ult deployed.
It would take an army to stop me. Retreat is never an option.
Kakainis.
Double kill.
Retreat or death, you decide.
Ako kunin mo ay yung dati. Kasi ako yung wakay namin yung dati.
Tranquil as a poem, retreat to the
Dasi, di
abyss.
ba din yung skin? Yung isa yung teen, tapos ay dasi. Yung dasi ay Asian type ay.
Full body spot.
Sakit nun. Hindi ko na mai-start. Because ito mamaya is ito naman ay online. Online ito. Hindi ko na mai-start.
Ako maganda yung
Manda ka sa akin.
yung gown na yung kuwan ay
Ganda ni Nana. like and follow Nana.
Initiate retreat. An enemy has slain.
Scares me. Not even death.
Dapat, kaya naman ito. Ay, sorry, sabi ko sa inyo.
Be mighty. Be righteous.
Nasa white din lang. Dapat yung mga gano'n.
Aray, guys. Wait lang, online na to, online. Wait lang. Nakakainis.
Oo, kaya nga.
Lama.
Oo. Bagay nga sa iyo.
Ulit nakakainis kasi.
Mall. Saan mo sa ano? Dito sa... Ines, pagsalang ka ng kanin. Oh, honey. Oo, small. Ay, di ba kukunin mo yung...
Excuse me?
Sabi siya pag small, ay may extra small pa. Kukunin mo yung extra small. Siyempre,
That's why I became a ranger.
Excuse me, wait.
I do what I want to do.
Hindi ang ate, ano nga. Ay, ang ganda na may tagaga.
Alam mo, isa lang pala ako dito. Hindi ko kaya.
Isa naman nabibili ng mga habay. Why? Wait ang kanya pala. Ayan. Kaya nga sa tingin na lang order. Dahil sa pag-order sa order at sa Shopee, kahit na yung kayo. Yan ang maganda. Yan. Tapos ay ito. Ayan.
The Dragonborn is back.
I do what I want to do.
Wala. Guys, kaya ko kata to? Or hindi? Okay, so dalawa kami ni Dairo. Kaming dalawa is magdalawa kami ni Dairo.
Mobile Legends.
So dalawang Dairo. Isa lang ako.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Let me take you to another
Saan?
world.
Ayun. Wait lang. Wait. Here's that
Should have figured out how to teach you how to fight.
Kaya guys, kahit mag-isa lang ako. Try my best.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Oh, ito pa. Maganda din.
Wala ko pag tayo, hindi may stress.
Bakit?
Ako na stress ko sa akin.
Ano ka na? Ikaw hindi ka na
Nakakainis! Nakakaisa lang! Wala akong life ko kahit. Kabebe kasi to. Kabebe kasi hindi kasi namamatay. Ako lang lagi ang namamatay.
It's home to me.
Handa yan sa akin.
Slain an enemy. Slain an enemy.
Sokas na rin.
Why don't you just surrender?
Wala pa kayo.
Charge ko na yung cellphone ko. Excuse me, where did I get the charger? Mommy, Mommy,
Yun naman na yung dito, pero dito yan.
Mami, saan mo inano? Yung ano, charger.
Sa mo. Saan ka na?
Just wait, guys.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Excuse me. I'm gonna charge it and then
Our turret is
here.
under attack.
I'm gonna blow it up. Aray ko.
Let me take you to another world.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Where?
Mega kill.
flash farmers teach you how to fight.
Your strategies are pitiful. Shut it stop. I will do anything for the abyss. Anything! Poor you. Why don't you just surrender? That's what it is. The abyss is home to me.
Okay. Think
Who
she's
would
on her
recognize
way.
someone as weak as you?
Think that she's on her way. Ha.
Let me take you to another world.
Legendary!
Why don't you just surrender?
Launch attack!
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Excuse me, there's another direct. And, talaga akong malakas
Banana,
na
your
direct.
strategies are pitiful.
I think he's coming.
Certified farmers teach you how to fight.
Your team
Manda talaga
destroyed a
yung sa
turret!
akin. Punta ko sa torre niya. Ay, hindi pala ako pupunta sa torre niya. Hintayin ko lang naman siya magkano sa torre ko. Tapos, alam niya, papatayin ko siya. Ayun na. Haha, patay ulit siya. Hirap kasi pagka may kakante.
Nana, your strategies are pitiful. Who would
Aray. Ito siya yung winner. Nandayan talaga sa akin. Pupunta ko sa
Why
tangke
don't
niya.
you just
Yun,
surrender?
sa may ano niya. Oh my god. Lakas talaga niyo. Lakas pa talaga siya.
Should have let Famas teach you how to fight. The Abyss is home to me.
Your team destroyed a turret.
I will do anything for you. Shattered in an instant.
Killing spree.
Ha ha ha.
For you. Why don't you just surrender?
Punta ako dun.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Lulululululu. Sa kanya. Punta ako sa kanya. Ha. Patay ulit siya. Punta ulit siya.
Shattered in an instant. Nah. Shattered in an instant.
Launch attack.
Nah. Your strategies are pitiful. Poor you. Why don't you just surrender?
Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Let me take you to another world. Should have let Famas teach you how to fight.
Legendary.
I will do anything for the Abyss. Anything!
Magkanggara.
Should have let Famas teach you how to fight. Shattered in an instant.
Legendary.
Pero gamit ko, pero ako lang mag-isa, hindi yung makakamping ko.
The abyss
Sinaray ko
is
yung
home to
ako lang mag-isa. May nagkopya sa akin Dairot, pero okay lang yan. Kasi mapapatay ko din yun. Hindi ka sa akin Dairot. Kan Dairot ka. Pasko talaga kay Dairot. Anak kang ganggera.
Why don't you just surrender?
Lakas ko talaga, guys. Kahit pa. Tayin kita, Dairot. Yun na.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything! Nah. Your strategy's pitiful. Who would recognize someone as weak as you? The abyss. Just in an instant. Poor you. Why don't you just surrender? Just in an Should have let Fabulous teach you how to fight. Poor you. Why don't you just in an instant? Who would recognize someone as weak as you? Just an instant. I will do anything for the abyss. Anything! Should just in an instant. This is home to me.
Lakas talaga ni Dairot kay Dairot.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you? Let me take you to another world. Nana, your strategies are pitiful.
Ha! Lakas ko ah.
In-invoice na yan.
Should have let Famas teach you.
Lakas ko talaga.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Lang guys ha. Guys, i-upload ko to sa YouTube. Yung mahilig dyan, mag-follow na sa akin. Tapos mag-ano na. Kasi maganda naman ako mag-ML. Pero lang, hindi lang sa mga kakampi ako maalam. Dito, hindi ako maalam sa mga kakampi ko. Sa, pag online sa kakampi ko. Pero, totally, maalam naman ako pag ako na offline. Pati din naman online. Pero ano lang.
The abyss is home to me.
Kakainis talaga yan ah. Hindi yan talaga sa akin.
Poor you. Why don't you just surrender? I will do anything for the Nana, your strategies are pitiful. For the abyss. Anything. In an instant. Should have let Famas teach you how to fight.
Diba? Sis, madali! Wag ako lang mag-isa. Sa wakas na rin.
detect irritation.
Yun lang po sa mga videos ko. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Ids Toka Mazel41 in TikTok. So yun lang po guys. Pinatay ko na si Dairot ha. So bye.